Maine's enjoyable, and it's salt of the earth, it's woodsy, and you have the ocean right here, and you have mountains, and if you like skiing, then there's that. Even though I work in a lab, the outdoors is a mental health cleanse. So the MDI Biological Laboratory's focus is on regeneration and aging. That's the overarching goals of our institute. Conducting aging research in Maine is really important because Maine has the highest median age out of all the states in the US. I've really enjoyed having Eric as my mentor. I can just knock on his door and he's right there to answer questions. If I see that there's a hole in the logic, I can present to him a possible assay in order to fill in that gap in logic to make the manuscript stronger. What part of the story would that work contribute to?
So my name is Candace Myers, and I'm currently an assistant professor at Pennington Biomedical Research Center. The resources that we have access to here as researchers are very appealing, and it enables us to really conduct high-quality research that has high impact, not only on our community in Louisiana, but I think also within the United States and internationally as well. My research interests very broadly fit into the title of Social Determinants of Health and Health Disparities. Specifically, I'm interested in food insecurity, so it's linked to higher risk for obesity. People who are lower resource, they may not be able to actually visit Pennington to participate in a study, or bringing recruitment to them enables us to actually reach those people in a more effective way. Finding key mentors in your area who can provide you with the information and the training that you need to effectively carry out a research study, to develop a research idea, to submit a grant. All of that's so important, and having a mentorship team is what's most important. It's nice to have a mentor who has that perspective to lend that knowledge as I carry out community-based research projects.
Alaska is really beautiful, our campus is really beautiful. It's just part of the culture of being really just taking in the beauty of the place. So the research that we're working on now is prenatal preventative health, and the purpose of this research is to look at psychosocial and cultural factors pertaining to pregnancy, specifically around prenatal stress. And a really wonderful experience to have positive mentorship and collaborating with Dr. Campbell, encouraging you to think critically, to understand your data. Another project that I've been involved with is an intervention that promotes reasons for life and sobriety in Alaska Native Yupik communities. Hopefully supported it. That's a really key piece, is focused on community.
Everywhere I go, in every IDeA state, when I talk to the students in the INBRE programs, they tell me the same thing, which is they would not have been able to be doing the kind of work that they're doing and having the kind of career path that they're on had it not been for the INBRE program. And I really think that it gives people an opportunity to do cutting-edge research in their home states that otherwise might not have that opportunity. Such a critical piece of the training of young scientists is that mentor-mentee relationship. And a mentor will help you see your own potential. Well, let me tell you about an important mentor I've had. And although Fred Taylor nominally works for me, he's been one of the most important mentors in my career so far. He taught me everything I know about the IDeA program, about the importance of capacity building. Taught me a lot about politics and how to manage the complicated situations in Washington and at NIH. And I really am deeply grateful to Fred for everything he's done for me, but also for the entire country.